Morgan.
Yay!
Good job.
Girl. Can you walk over here?
Uh-oh.
Okay, Daniel. Share.
You gonna come back to Mama? Good job. Back to the table?
Daniel, watch out because Morgan's walking, okay? You have to be careful because she's just learning how to walk, okay? Morgan, why don't you walk to Mommy? Walk to Mommy.
Come back over here.
She's taking your picture. Hurry on.
Here
Daniel,
she
watch out.
comes.
Daniel, let
Oh.
Morgan walk by, okay?
Here she comes. Oh, fall down. Oh dear. There's a hand. Atta girl.